wounds.
Okay.
Toby, don't lick your wounds.
But
See you anymore. I'm gonna get him back to camp and just lick my wounds and check the damage and carnage to my sled and make a different plan.
All he can do is lick his wounds and struggle on.
English Idiom Challenge. What does to lick one's wounds mean? Correct answer is to recover after a defeat or setback. To lick one's wounds means to take time to recover emotionally or mentally after experiencing failure, loss, or criticism. Examples. After losing the game, the team stayed quiet, licking their wounds in the locker room. She spent the weekend alone, licking her wounds after the breakup. Like and subscribe for more idioms.